What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, back with another video. I know it's been a while, but today we are going over how to spot fake outs in the market. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Yes, I'm smoking my CBD, but if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. So if y'all been following my YouTube channel, basically I've been into forex now. I'm not into network marketing anymore. So all of the videos that are up are old, but now 2021 we're coming out with a lot of more videos about forex. So this video once again is going to be about how to spot fake outs. So what we're going to do is go over here to GBP USD. This is a pair that I trade frequently, so I kind of know how it moves. Now, if you are a new trader, you need to figure out what pair that you like the best, that you're going to learn to just take your time with and see how, it moves, and you can make money with 1 to 2 pairs. So TradingView, once again, if you don't know what TradingView is, it's a website that you can go to analyze the charts. Of course, you can do that on MetaTrader 4 on your phone, but TradingView is king to me. So what you'll do is come down to here so you can view the chart. Now, what I have on my chart, okay, let me take all of this stuff off. Okay, I have all of my take profits and stop losses, but I want to show you guys a fake out really quickly. So yeah, if you zoom out, this is a downtrend, as you can see. But if you got in here, here, and you know you was good. But let's say you got in here late, okay? Let me zoom in so you can see. All right, and I circled these for a reason. I'm going to delete them. Once again, I marked these charts up with my team. We did a live Zoom call. I sent out signals for a buy yesterday, okay? Because why? Because I also was able to see a reversal that I thought was a reversal. All right, so boom, I was like, okay, the market keeps stopping here. Let me zoom in some more. All right, so the market kept stopping right here. So I sent out a signal to the team for a buy. All right, and as you see, we ate, but we were expecting it to go a little bit higher. And as you can see, this is what I call a fake out, but you can still earn from it if you trading with the trends. Now, what I train my team to do, and what we do, is basically trade with the trend, because you can never go wrong. So this right here is a uptrend with inside a downtrend. Now let me zoom out so you can see exactly what I mean. So the overall is a downtrend, and usually we do not trade against this trend, but like I said, it was a fake out and it did look like a reversal. But as you can see right here, let me grab one of these. So it stopped right here. It stopped right here. Well, basically, as you can see, it never crossed this line right here, or crossed this area, right? So what you got is 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections off of this support, off of this resistance level right here. Okay, this will be like a resistance level. So once again, we set out a signal for a buy. Our TP was like up here around like where it stopped at right here. But as you can see, it stopped, stop, stop, stop. So now what it's doing is getting back into the overall trend that it's already in. So if you are a new trader and you caught this trade late and you seen an uptrend, you forgot about the rest of the trend, what it's already doing. All right, so like right here, another fake out. Boom, 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 went up, and then what did it do? Drop below my level. Same thing here. Drop. We thought it was going to keep going, did not. Came up, stopped 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's back into the trend that it was originally in. And before the market actually opened, I mean, before before the actually open again for after Christmas, we were selling already. We caught a little bit of this as well. So that what made me, I was thinking that it was going to keep selling, which it is, but I'm saying like this uptrend made me think that it was a reversal. And you can get faked out by the market. Now, let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see what a fake out look like. All right, so if you came here and you thought this, in which we got in for sales, okay? And what it did was it came down, back up, and we was like, what is it doing? And we see that we have a lower low. So we stayed in, all right? And then what did it do? It dropped again, came back up. And then I was like, okay, guys, we have a triple top, which is a basically a pattern that we look for sales. All right. So after this, I was like, okay, we're good. We even put in more entries here. And when it dropped, it did this. And I was like, okay, what is it doing? And it came all the way back up. And as you can see, it wicked all the way back up, which took a lot of people out here. But I was able to hold my trades. And it took a lot of people out because this was their entry. And, you know, the stop loss was pretty tight. So that's what the banks will do sometimes, is manipulate the market to get those fresh buyers, those fresh traders out, people, you know, who are beginners and trade with, you know, patterns or trade with trend lines and all of those good things. You just have to have a good eye of, okay, is this a reversal or is this a fake out? It will be hard in the moment to basically determine what it is, but once you see a wick like this, see, when we was in the trade, this wasn't a wick. This was like a candle like this. It was big. It was a big candle, and then it wicked back down, which it came back to the level right here that it could not break. So I was like, okay, it was a fake out. And then what did it do? Drop again, and now you see all of this right here back to the level that it could not break. But right now, I would say it's retracing. I do not think that it will come all the way back up here again, because that right here, I really never seen this before. Normally it will just be a triple top, 1 2 3, and then just drop. But you got 1 2 3 4, which, like I said, guys, was a fake out. And then it dropped again. Now it's retracing. You should get, and as you can see, like right here, price not trying to break around this area. And if it does, it should come back up just a little bit and shoot down. But as you can see, let me hop out. Let me zoom out. We got in here, and our take profit is around this level right here. Okay, because I'm looking for it to fill all of this area. I don't believe in overbought and oversold, but I do believe in trading with a trend. And once again, when we zoom out, this is a downtrend. It touched here, never got back to the trend. And once again, 4 times here, never got back to the trend. Now it's retracing, and I'm looking for it to drop below. So yeah, guys, fake outs are real, and you can lose money, because what will happen is you will start to question your trade. You will start to question, should I get out? And you start to see, okay, it's going up and up and up. It done wicked your stop loss. Okay, it took you out of the trade. You get frustrated. This is a part of trading. All right, this is a part of people being new traders, retail traders, whatever you want to call it. Even like me myself, I'm not in the game that long, but I'm not new. So I even question this trade. Was this a reversal? Was it going to go back up? But once again, when you zoom out and look at the whole thing for what it is, it's a downtrend. So I highly recommend that you should, you know, practice with practice psychology, and don't really too much focus on the money. All right, just look at what the market is actually doing, because if you just look at what it was doing, you can tell like they was just getting people who got in for these sales out, and it shot up took them out and then dropped back down, and then now it's retracing and finna get ready to drop again. So yeah, that's how you can spot fake outs in the market. And another thing was news. I don't know if you guys are familiar. I don't know if you guys watch news. I don't really watch news, but of course, as a forex trader, you must also be up to date with things. And you know, the new, when Trump signed the bill and all that for the stimulus check, this could also be an effect of what the news had to do with the market. But overall, the trend to me is very strong. I don't see it going up. I just see a retrace right now. Like even this right here can wick out and come back down and go back down to where it's supposed to be. So that's how you can spot fake outs in the market when news come out, or you see a lot of wicks, or it's just doing things that are unnormal. Okay, when the market is doing things that are like really unnormal, then 9 times out of 10 it's a fake out, or news just hit, or it's what the banks want to do. But 9 times out of 10 the banks not gonna, you know, want it to be weird all the time. So yeah, like I say, they do that from time to time to just take some people out. Like if this was an uptrend, they could have dropped the price all the way down just to get some buyers out. It's the same way if whether it was an uptrend or a downtrend. So you have to understand, we don't make the market move, the banks do. Okay, we are just taking what the market gives us. All right, so stay tuned for more videos, guys. And like right now, I'm still in for a sale because I got in up here, and I'm just I got in up here, so I'm still good. Like I say, but if it do come all the way back up here, I'm not sure what it want to do. That's why you just have to keep an eye out and get in the right moments. So see, like right here, if you got in for a sale right here because you see this drop, you see what it's doing right now. Again, faking out or retrace, a hard retrace, and you could have got wicked out, or you could have got knocked out the trade by your stop loss, and it's just not, you know, worth it at the end of the day to get in a bad entry. So I always recommend getting in at the highest point. Like right now is a good time to get in for another sale, which I'm going to do live right now. I'm going to get in for another sale. All right, just got in for another sale. All right, and we're in for another sale. I'm not expecting price to go up at all. But if it do, then you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna hop in for a buy, and we're gonna go with the trend. But that's all for this video, guys. Make sure you don't get frustrated with fake outs and frustrated with retraces, because everybody has to go through a retrace. So that's it for this video. If you like this content, make sure that you subscribe. Also click that notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.